Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Choose a site near a reliable water table, spring, or artesian source within 150 meters. Begin by mapping sun exposure, prevailing winds, and a 3.5-meter perimeter for windbreaks so you can position vegetation and structures to reduce evaporation. Avoid saline soils by testing conductivity under 4ds/m before digging. High salt kills plants and blocks infiltration. Calculate water yield. A 10m well with 1 liter per minute provides 440 L per day, enough to establish starter plantings and a small pond. Excavate a pond 1 to 2 meters deep with sloped sides for safety and aeration. Steeper shelves at the edge help emergent plants. Use a compacted clay liner where available or install a 0.5 mm HDPE liner over a sand bed to prevent seepage and minimize contamination. Install overflow and 25 mm pipes with a screened inlet to manage floods, debris, and fine sediment. Include a simple manual or solar pump rated at 12 V and 40 W to circulate water and prevent stagnation. Plant salt-tolerant shrubs and palms spaced 2 to 4 meters apart for initial shade and root stability. Species choice should match local climate and salinity. Mulch with 5 cm of organic material around each planting and irrigate using drip lines with 2L/HR emitters on 30-minute cycles to reduce waste. Monitor water depth weekly and adjust inflow to maintain 0.5 to 1 m depth in the dry season. Prune windward growth to sustain a cool microclimate and replace failing plants within 1 growing season.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.